In this video, we will show you how to replace your ignition coils on this Jeep Compass with a 2.4-liter engine. You'll have 4 of these located under your engine cover. Let's get into it. Okay friends, let's get started on our job. The first thing we want to do is make sure the engine is cool to the touch. You never want to work on the engine when it's hot. After that, go ahead and remove your engine cover. Take hold of it and lift it straight up and away. We'll just give that a quick inspection and set it aside. With the cover out of the way, let's use some compressed air across the top of the engine here to remove any of the debris in this area. At this point, the process for one will be the same for each. Continue on by disconnecting your ignition coil. You'll find that you have a red locking tab. Slide that out of place. With that unlocked, continue on by pressing in on this tab right where my thumb is. That'll dislodge this and give it a quick inspection for corrosion. Let's continue removing that ignition coil. We'll use a T27 to remove our mounting bolt. Inspect that mounting hardware, replace it as necessary. Take hold of your ignition coil, give it a little wiggle. At this point, you can lift it up and out of place. There it is, friend. Let's prepare for installation of our ignition coil. Take some dielectric grease and put a light coating along the bottom area of the boot here, where it slides onto your spark plug. Carefully slide the ignition coil down into the tube, onto the spark plug, and align your mounting bolt hole. Starting the mounting bolt, snug it up. The torque for this is 79.5 inch-pounds. Reconnect your electrical connector, lock it down with that red locking tab. Go ahead and give that a wiggle to make sure it's completely secure. At this point, the process for one is the exact same thing for all others. Once you've completed that, continue on to installing your engine cover. Just double check everything's nice and tight here, and we'll continue on with our engine cover. Take this and carefully put it in place. Align it with each one of its mounting points and drive it straight down. We'll give that a wiggle to make sure it's completely secure. Okay friend, we've got our vehicle back together. At this point, you want to start up the vehicle, let it run for a little while. Make sure you have no check engine light and no running condition. After that, you can take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.